welcome back to my channel. I know it's been a while, but I have something so exciting for you guys today. Today I am going to be making a balloon garland. I am not a balloon expert, but I do want to show you the way that I make them after watching tons of YouTube videos, and actually I think I may have kind of sort of perfected it in my way, but I do want to show you guys. I have a baby shower coming up this weekend, and it is a luau or a tropical themed baby shower. She only wants white, gold, and green, so it's going to be really clean. And so I'm going to incorporate a balloon garland with a few accents in it, and I will show you guys that at the end of the video. But for right now, I do want to introduce my special guest that will be helping me on today. It is my niece, and her name is Milan. Come sit down, baby. She's gonna help me. She wants to help me blow up my balloons today. So she is my helper. You want to tell the people anything? You excited to make balloon garland with me?
Yes.
Yes. Okay, guys. So let me show you what you're going to need, or what I'm going to use. I'm doing an all-white balloon garland.
Balloons.
Come on, they can't see. You got to come in the video.
We're gonna need balloons.
And what color? We have some
Gold.
some white. These are clear with gold confetti in the inside. And then the rest of them are white. I have different sizes. These are 5-inch. These are 18 inches. And these are 12 inches.
And we got this air pump over here.
Yes, and we have to use the air pump to blow up the balloons. It makes things, back up baby so they can see it. It makes things a lot easier. I got this off of Amazon. I think it was maybe 20 bucks, maybe less.
Yeah.
So we're gonna get started blowing up these balloons. Stay tuned.
Okay, guys, we blowed up these balloons up here. Now we're blowing, and we're gonna teach you how to blow them up. Like, this is how you blow them up. Oh God, I didn't move. Okay, this is how
You gotta hold it tight when you put it around there.
Okay.
If you want to have more of a round shape, which looks really good in the organic arches versus like this kind of egg shape that happens when you blow up balloons, I saw in another tutorial on YouTube, what you do is you kind of almost give the balloon a slight bear hug, releasing some of the air. I guess it's almost shaping the balloon. And once you tie it up, I promise my hands are ashy. This is from blowing up with the balloons. It has more of a round shape versus the coney egg shape.
Yeah.
All right, guys, I don't know if you could tell or not, but while I was blowing the balloons up, I was tying them in clusters of 2 in various sizes, because what's going to happen is once I start to get the balloon garland put together, I'm going to be pushing them together to fill in gaps, and I'm going to be doing a number 8 style with the string that I'm using to attach them. So stay tuned and see what I'm talking about. Alright guys, so I am back, and I have already started off my balloon garland. So what you do is, I'm using this string here. You can use any type of like fishing line, or this is the regular balloon string. And what I did was I tied a knot to one of my clusters, which was originally just 2 balloons that were tied together like this. And I took the string and I tied a knot to start it off. And then once you get it started, you're going to add on another cluster. Use one I have in my hand. You're going to use the cluster that you had in your hand originally, and you're going to press down twice or a few times. I just like to do it a few times around the balloons just to make sure that it's going to stay snug, because you don't want it to get loose and have gaps in your garland. So I kind of do it around all the ones that are on the balloon that I'm on. As you can see, that's connected. And let me find me another loop. So I have now 2 more balloons. I'm going to press down. Figure out where I want it, press down, and then go in a circle 8. Cause I be going boom like an 808. Boom, baby, boom. Anybody else like this song? Right, as you can see, it's starting to come along. And I have a gap. I'm gonna do one more just to make sure you guys get a close-up of how I am doing this. So I'm gonna do another one. I hope that you guys are able to really tell how I'm doing it. You're putting it, you're doubling it on there, you have your string, you're gonna push it down, and then you're gonna start to do a number 8 around the balloons up top with your new set. You can do it around 1 or 2 balloons, but like I said, I like to do it around all. So I do, I'm trying to show you guys and do this at the same time. It's not the easiest, but yeah, I went around all 4 up top, and as you can see, it's starting to gain some length. All right, so I'm trying to give you guys a close-up of how I do the balloon to get it to all attached. So you take your 2, you're gonna push it down in the space that you want it, where you want it to go. And then you're gonna do a number 8. Pull some of my string out. I first like to go around the new one, of course. Then I go around in the existing balloon that was already attached. Do an 8 around the next new one. And then I'm gonna go around another existing one. Pull it, and it's stuck in place. You can see the length that we gained so far. Nice and filled, there are no gaps. So this is what I have so far. I'm gonna have to blow up some more balloons, and I also have some 5-inch ones that I'm gonna add to this as well to fill in some gaps and give it a little more dimension. I'm also gonna add some greenery to it the same way that I did in the tutorial I did for the DIY hula hoop balloon wreath that I will post around the same time as this one. And I guess you guys will see the finished product at the end. Because the balloons are only made with air, they actually last a lot longer than helium, of course. So that's why I'm doing this a bit early and getting this stuff all done. Alright guys, and this was the final look for my balloon garland that I did for you guys. I incorporated a few of the tropical leaves to help make things stay in theme, and I think it came out beautiful. Don't forget to hit like and subscribe, and I will catch you guys next time. I have some awesome things planned.